Hello everyone, welcome to this presentation on physical risk in hotels ensuring a safe experience for guests and staff. And today, I'll be guiding you through the common physical hazards found in hotel environments, focusing on the potential risks they pose, ways can manage or prevent these hazards. Physical hazards are environmental factors that can lead injuries or health risks, and in busy settings like hotel, they can impact both guests and staff from slippery floors and electrical issues to poor lighting and ergonomic challenge. These hazards can quickly turn into serious safety concerns if not managed efficiently. In the next few minutes, we'll explore these hazards in detail, discuss real-life examples, and outline best practices to help minimize risk. By understanding these issues, hotel can ensure safer environment, enhancing guest satisfaction, and promoting staff well-being. Now we'll go through a set of multiple choice questions. Each question has 4 answer choices with 1 correct answer. Let's see how well we grasp the topic.